How to check your coin balance in Fire Kirin. First of all, open the Fire Kirin game and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are on the main screen or game lobby, look for the coin balance display, which is usually visible at the top left corner of the screen. This coin balance shows the total number of coins you currently have available for playing games. If you don't see your balance immediately, try tapping on the wallet or coin icon, which will open a detailed page showing your current coin balance and transaction history. You can also check your coin balance before entering any game to ensure you have enough coins to play. Remember, your coin balance updates in real time as you win or spend coins during gameplay. Now you know how to check your coin balance in Fire Kirin. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more gaming tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.